morning students. Myself Savita Alfred welcomes you e-learning classes provided by St. Michael's Academy Vidya. Students, today I am going to teach you class 6 chapter 2 Wild Duck. In my previous videos I have taught you and explained you whole chapter and its word meaning. Today I am going to teach you complete these sentences and question answer. So let's start our question number A. Complete this sentence. Our question number 1 is, the boy watched the birds in fascination because. Answer is, bird watching was his passion. Our next question is, the man was able to tell the boy how the birds would move and which direction they would take because he always hunt the birds. Our question number 3 is, the boy took the duck home because. Our answer is, he wanted to take care of the injured duck. Our question number 4 is, at the beginning the man was teaching the boy to kill, but in the end dash. Answer will be, he realized that the boy did not like to shoot the birds. In the end, he realized that the boy did not like to shoot the birds. So students, our question number B is, answer this question. Question 1 is, until the birds arrived, the boy barely spoke to the man. He only showed interest in what they were doing. When the birds started to fly in, why do you think he did this? So our answer is, until the birds arrived, the boy barely spoke to the man. He only showed interest in what they were doing. When the birds started to fly in, I think he did this because he watched countless birds and in different formation. Our question number 2 is, the sky deepened, the water turned black. What is happening here? Describe it in your own words. Our answer is, the sky deepened, the water turned black. It is happening because it was evening time when the sun set and it was getting dark everywhere, so the color of the water also turned black. Our next question, question number 3 is, the boy looked frightened at what he had done. What had the boy done and why was he frightened by it? So the boy had shot the bird and he was frightened at his own act because he thought the bird was dead. Our question number 4 is, you will have to look after it. Do you think the man wanted the boy to look after the duck? What makes you think so? How did the boy react? Do you think the man expected him to react like this? So our answer number 4 is, yes, I think the man also wanted the boy to look after the duck. I have a reason to think so because his father himself said to the boy that you would have to look after it. But he angrily replied that I know and I want. No, the man was not expected him to react like this because he thought the boy would be happy by shooting off duck. Our question number 5A is, what was the boy's state of mind when he told his father that he threw away the gun. Why do you think he reacted this way? Answer is, when the boy told his father that he threw away the gun, the boy's state of mind was in anger and boldly refusing to obey. I think he reacted in this way because he decided he would never use the gun. So our 5B question number is, do you agree with what the boy did? Why or why not? Answer, yes, I agree with that the boy did, because we should not harm the birds, but we should save the birds. Question number 6 is, at first the man got very angry with his son for throwing the gun away. His anger then changed to relief. Why do you think this happened? Our answer number 6 is, at first the man got very angry with his son for throwing the gun away. His anger then changed to relief. I think this happened because the father realized that his son is against hunting for pleasure, and he too did not to harm living things. So students, today I have taught you complete the answers and the question answers. So write down it in your copy and learn it. Thank you.